Welcome to Finance with Avrin. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the top 5 6-month CD certificate of deposit accounts ranked by APY annual percentage yield for August 2023. Now, a 6-month CD is typically good for someone who has a lump sum of money and they want to, somewhat invest it, but they want it to be safe. They want to keep the principal safe. So they don't want to lose that certain amount of money, but they want to gain some interest on it. They want it to, appreciate. They want it to grow, but they also want to know, what that amount is going to be, and they also want to have access to that money within a certain time frame. So CD, certificate of deposit accounts, come in various time frames by different financial institutions and banks. There's 5 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 18 months, and so on. But for this video, we're just focusing on 6 months because that's a good amount of time for just to hold some money somewhere and to have access to it, within a year, 6 months. And these APYs, these annual percentage yields and interest rates, have been on the uptick. They've been rising steadily with the Fed funds rate going up. They've been going up in line with it. Some of them lag behind a little bit, and of course there's competition, so this is why the amounts are different. If you want to withdraw from it early, of course there's going to be a penalty, but you'll still have access to your money. But if you're okay with letting it wait there and sit there and just gain the interest, a compound for for example, for this video, for 6 months for these accounts, then you'll have your principal amount that you put in there and also all the interest that accumulated during that 6 months. So that's typically good for somebody who has that in mind. They have that lump sum of money that they have in their savings or wherever they have it, but they want it to grow a little bit more, maybe because a lot of these CD accounts have higher APYs than savings accounts, definitely like traditional savings accounts, and many of them are much higher than high yield savings accounts. The high yield savings accounts lately have been around 4%, 3%, 5%. I do top 10 videos ranked by APY on savings accounts as well. Check the link in the description for that. But for this right here, for the 6-month CD, you have it away for that 6 months, but after that 6 months, you have your money, the principal amount, and all the interest that accumulated. And before that 6 months starts, because when you're opening this account, you'll know the APYs at how much money you're putting in there, and with some calculations, you can determine how much money you're going to have after that 6 months. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the financial and bank institutions and also give you an example of a certain amount of money in an account, how much interest would grow on that. And before we jump into the top 5 list right here, I want to go over some of the requirements that these accounts must have to make it on my ranking video, and also some of the things that they have in common.
Now, first off, most importantly, all of these accounts are FDIC insured. FDIC stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, which is an independent agency created by Congress to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system. And what they do is they have insurance on your deposits up to $250,000. So if something happens to that bank or that financial institutions where they go under or bankrupt or anything like that, your deposit, the money in your account, is covered up to $250,000 by that FDIC insurance. And the FDIC was created by the Banking Act of 1933 during the Great Depression to restore trust in the American banking system. And all of these accounts have a fixed rate APY. So for the entire 6-month term, when you have this account open, you will be earning that APY that you got when you signed up for the account. So no matter if the APY goes up or down within the next month or 2 or 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you'll be earning that same APY that you signed up with throughout the whole 6 months right there. And typically the interest is going to be compounded daily and then paid out monthly. So you'll see your account rise each month and it'll be compounded on that. So you have the interest compounding on interest in your principal, and it's going to be that same rate that you signed up for the entire 6 months. So all of these are fixed rate annual percentage yields. And next up, also very important, none of these have a monthly maintenance fee. No kind of fee when you sign up, no kind of fee to maintain your account or anything like that. And one thing to look out for with these 6-month CD accounts is that there is an early withdrawal penalty that ranges with these different accounts. Sometimes they charge you a certain amount of interest or some kind of fees associated. I've seen different amounts, like 180 days worth of interest, 90 days worth of interest, different amounts like that. So if you take out your money within that 6 months, before that 6 months is over, before that term ends, you will be hit with an early withdrawal penalty. So CD accounts like this for 6 months, this is good for a lump sum of money that you have that you're not going to need within that 6 months, but you want to earn some interest on for sure. Typically, the longer the term you have with a CD account, the higher the APY will be. But sometimes it's going to be a little different out there. Sometimes there are promotions going on where a lower term length has more than the higher term length. And also there are no penalty CD accounts. So if you have some money that you want to put in a certificate of deposit account, but you're not sure if you're going to need it or not, you don't want to be locked in any kind of term commitments, but you want a higher APY, and check out my video on the top 5 no penalty CD accounts ranked by APY. So with these accounts right here, there are various initial deposit requirements to open these accounts, and I'll list them and you'll see them on the screen, and I'll tell you about them as well. And without further ado, let's get into this top 5 list.
Starting at number 5 is the First Internet Bank 6-month certificate of deposit at 5.22% APY. There is a $1,000 minimum deposit required to open this account, and the interest is compounded and credited monthly. Now, for an example, if you had $20,000 in this account with First Internet Bank at 5.22% APY, that $20,000 after 6 months would be around $20,514. First Internet Bank was founded in 1997. It is primarily involved in online retail banking and investment in securities. First Internet Bank Corp is the parent company of First Internet Bank, and per their website, they were the first state charter FDIC insured institution to operate entirely online. Their headquarters is in Indianapolis, Indiana. And at number 4 is the Basque Bank 6-month CD at 5.25% APY. There is a $1,000 minimum deposit required to open this account, and the interest is compounded daily and credited monthly. Now, for an example, if you had $20,000 in this account at Basque Bank at 5.25% APY interest compounding daily, after 6 months, that amount would be around $20,519. Basque Bank is an online bank that offers CD accounts and 2 different savings accounts, one that earns interest and another that earns American Airlines miles. Basque Bank is a division of Texas Capital Bank, which was founded in 1998, and their headquarters is in Dallas, Texas. At number 3, we have a tie. First here we have Merrick Bank with their 6-month CD at 5.30% APY. There is a $25,000 minimum deposit required to open this account and a maximum deposit of $250,000. The interest is compounded daily and credited monthly. For an example, with this account, if you had $20,000 in this account at Merrick Bank at 5.30% APY with the interest compounding daily, after 6 months, that $20,000 would be around $20,522. Merrick Bank was founded in 1997 and is a subsidiary of CardWorks, which was founded in 1987 and is headquartered in Woodbury, New York. Merrick Bank specializes in credit programs that assist people looking to build or rebuild their credit, and they offer credit cards, loans, and also various term CD accounts. Also tied at number 3 is the Bank 5 Connect 6-month CD at 5.30% APY. There is a $500 minimum deposit required to open this account, and the interest is compounded and credited monthly. For an example, with this account, if you had $20,000 at this account at Bank 5 Connect at 5.30% APY with the interest compounding monthly, after 6 months, that $20,000 would be around $20,521. Bank 5 Connect was created in 2013 as an online division of Bank 5. Bank 5 was founded in 1855 with a headquarters in Fall River, Massachusetts. Bank 5 Connect offers DIF Depositors Insurance Fund protection on top of FDIC protection, which protects deposits in excess of $250,000. Bank 5 Connect offers savings and checking accounts, CD accounts, and credit cards. And at number 2 is the Popular Direct 6-month certificate of deposit at 5.35% APY. There is a $10,000 minimum deposit required to open this account, and the interest is compounded daily and credited monthly. Now, for an example, if you had $20,000 in this account at Popular Direct at 5.35% APY with the interest compounding daily, after 6 months, that $20,000 would be around $20,528. Popular Direct was launched in 2016 as an online-only bank that's a subsidiary of Popular Bank. Popular Incorporated was founded in 1893 and does business as Banco Popular in Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands, and Popular Bank in the United States. Popular Direct offers an online savings accounts and various term CDs. Popular headquarters is in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And at number 1 is the Total Direct Bank by Total Bank 6-month certificate of deposit at 5.40% APY. There is a $25,000 minimum deposit required to open this account and a maximum deposit of $1 million. The interest is compounded daily and credited monthly. Now, for an example, if you had $20,000 in this account at Total Direct Bank at 5.40% APY with the interest compounding daily, after 6 months, that $20,000 would be right around $20,533. Total Direct Bank is a division of City National Bank of Florida, which was founded in 1946. The parent company of National Bank of Florida is Banco de Crédito y Inversiones, one of Latin America's largest banks and second largest bank in Chile. Total Direct Bank offers CDs and money market accounts. And that is it with my video on the top 5 6-month certificate deposit accounts ranked by APY for August 2023. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Take care.